With QuickBooks Online, you can use progress invoicing to send a quote to a customer and then invoice them over time as you complete the work. Let's go over how to turn on progress invoicing, invoice for part of the quote, then run a report to monitor the progress of all your open quotes. First, make sure progress invoicing is on for your company. Select Settings, then Account and Settings. Then select the Sales tab and Progress Invoicing. Turn on Progress Invoicing. If you see a pop-up prompting you to switch to a newer template, select Update. Select Save, then Done. Before you can record a progress invoice, you must have an open quote for the customer. Check out this video to learn more about quotes. After you've entered and sent a quote, and it's time to invoice your customer for the work you've completed, go to New, then Invoice. Then enter your customer's name. Here you will see any open quotes, billable expenses and time, or any other items you can invoice your client for. You'll see basic information about the quote, like the date you issued it and the total dollar amount. Select Open if you want to take a closer look at the quote. To invoice your customer for the quote, select Add. QuickBooks asks you whether you want to invoice for the entire quote or for a percentage of the work done, or by line item to select specific products and services. Let's select the option to invoice for a percentage of the work done and then invoice for 50%. Select Copy to Invoice. From the invoice, you can see how much you're invoicing now compared to what you quoted. You can also adjust these amounts on the invoice. When you're finished filling out the invoice, select Save and Close. You can monitor your quotes and what percentage you've invoiced. Select Reports. Under Standard Reports, run the Quotes and Progress Invoicing Summary by Customer report. From here, you can see each customer with an open quote, the open quotes you've sent them, the amounts on the quotes you've sent versus the amount you've invoiced, and finally, the amount you have left to invoice. Use progress invoicing to invoice your customers for work as you complete it over time.